Hi, Mark Savage here with Savage on Wheels. We're going all-American today, baby, with a new Wagoneer. Wagoneer, you say that thing hasn't been around for, what, 8 or 10 years now? It's been a while.
Oh, wait, longer than that.
Longer than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, longer than that. But here, first of all, we're American. I'm showing you, we're an American. I got a big American vehicle. This is made in Warren, Michigan. And, you know, you got to think this is like a Tahoe Navigator, but it's a Jeep. And Jeeps usually say Jeep on them. This says Wagoneer, Wagoneer, and Wagoneer on the back too. That's still got the Jeep grill, of course. That's nice.
7 slots, yep.
7 slots. But here's what we finally found out. There is no Jeep. Look, it says Jeep right here in light.
Easter egg.
An Easter egg to find. And over here, there's another one. Jeep on the window. So you could figure out that this is a Jeep if you weren't sure what the heck it was. But Grand Wagoneer, Wagoneer, Grand Cherokee, this is about 10 inches longer than a Grand Cherokee, and that's a pretty nice sized vehicle as it is. But this has got 3 rows and super quiet, super comfortable inside. We'll show you the inside in just a minute, but it's a big vehicle. We got nice big running boards on this bad boy, 22-inch tires. And here we go. Let's go see what this looks like in the back here. Boom. I think we could get a couple bodies in here, Paul. Whoop.
At least our size.
It's icy out. Yeah, it's icy out here today. Anyway, the only thing I don't like about this back end is, look, this is manual. If I want this seat to go down, wait a minute. Oh, it's down here. Wrong one. I'm pulling the wrong cord. That's to get it to pull back up.
Now you got to reach in.
But watch this. I'm not a tall man.
For the vertically challenged.
I'm not a tall man, but look at this. I think I got it. Okay, well, at least we could get it back up. Anyway, I'd like to have that be powered, and we know that if you go to the Grand Wagoneer, that's going to be powered. The other thing that kind of bothers me is because most of the time I'm ready to punch the button out here. That's our button to punch. Get this to shut back down for us. And Paul, look at this. I'll show you. You know, I'm not a big man, but you know, I'm a big man when I get on this. Look at this. I'm way up here, baby. Look at that. Tall man. All right, let's get inside and we'll show you what's going on inside here. All right, so we're inside the Wagoneer. It is a luxurious interior, a nice soft feel to the dash, big leather wrapped steering wheel.
Wait, flat bottom.
Flat bottom wheel,
it's almost
baby.
a sports
Just
car.
like a sports car. That's awesome. Big screen. This one I actually didn't find too hard to figure out, but we got the toggles for the climate controls down here. We got a wireless charger down here. You can't really see. We got all of our junk down here today. Cover there. You can sit your phone in there. You got a cover for that. That's nice. And look at the size of this box here. Ooh, look, I think I could, you know, put a football and a helmet in there too. Anyway, lots of goodies. They got a giant sunroof. I mean, this is as big as they come. And there's a second sunroof back over that 3rd row. And there's plenty of room in this. You know, it's a big vehicle, but there's sometimes even in the big vehicles, that back seat is kind of tight. But this is pretty decent. So we're happy about that. And, you know, we got all the safety features. We got the ever popular smart cruise control, so that it knows when you're catching up with somebody and it helps slow you down. And we got power pedals over here too. You can't really see that, but I can power my pedals back and forth, which is nice for us short guys. And some memory buttons, of course, over here on the door. So lots of nice features. Oh, wait a minute, Paul, look at that. Heated seats. We got heated seats here. We got cooled seats. And I got a heated steering wheel here also, which is awesome here in Wisconsin. Look at this, Paul. We got a little snow still.
Yeah.
It's not a very warm day.
No, it's cold.
It's a cold day.
It's cold.
It's a cold day. We missed our warm day this week. Anyway, so we're going to take you out on the road here, show you how it handles and what it looks like. But it's going to be nice and quiet inside here because it's got lots of sound deadening. All right, we're going to take this beast onto the highway. Heavy vehicle. I don't have the exact weight on it, but I'm going to guess 5,000 pounds roughly. And we got it in sport mode here, Paul.
Sport mode. In a Wagoneer.
We're Jeep in sport mode.
Yeah.
But hey, sounds pretty good. This is a V8. We got a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 coming in here, and we're up to 80, almost 90 mile an hour getting onto the freeway. because it has plenty of guts, and you can tow up to 10,000 pounds with this bad boy. So you know it's serious as far as a towing vehicle. It's not trail rated yet because they haven't done any trail rated versions of these yet, but this is the Series 2. They started with the Series 2 and the Series 3, and the Series 3 has an air suspension and some more goodies on it that way. But this one has leather interior, a fancy stereo, all that. Series 1 is going to be a little less expensive. It will come as a 2-wheel or a 4-wheel drive, as this one does too. 4-wheel drive, $3 grand extra, just so you know. Who doesn't, you know, if you're getting a Jeep, you got to have 4-wheel drive, right?
Yep.
I mean, I'm sorry. We're talking a pricey, big vehicle, but man, it will tow, it will carry, you know, up to 8 people, because it can have bench rows in the back, 2 rows, and that will give you 8 people inside, and or 7 if you want captain's chairs back here. So, I mean, it's a full service vehicle for a family, especially if they got a little extra cash. So, you know, we thought, let's take this to its natural habitat. The Wagoneer, pricey vehicle. We took it to one of the pricey neighborhoods here in suburban Milwaukee. I think some of the brewers have lived out here too, haven't they,
Yep,
Paul?
and Packers.
And Packers, yeah. So
Former Packers, yeah.
You know, and this isn't, you know, like there are bigger, fancier places than this, but this is, you know, not the highest priced one of these either. So, you know, again, all the features that this thing has on it, the giant sunroof, smart cruise control, and we got a little thing we can do right here that will raise and lower the vehicle a little bit. We have sport mode that we're still on here. We got the auto, of course, snow, sand and mud, and rock. So if you do want to take it out someplace and scratch up, I mean, take out your Jeep and run it around in the mud, you can do that. So that's good. And it's a smooth for a truck. I mean, this is on a, you know, a truck chassis, basically, the body on frame. And this is a smooth ride, a quiet ride, real quiet interior, very pleasant inside. So it is a luxury vehicle. I know we've talked about this being a high-priced vehicle, and it is a high-priced vehicle. It starts about $70,000 for the rear-wheel drive. Add $3 grand, so 73 or maybe 74 for the 4-wheel drive. And then if you go up to the Series 3, that starts about $75,000, and again, you get the air suspension and some other goodies. If you go up to the Grand Wagoneer, we're talking, you know, you're looking at maybe 6 figures. You're looking at maybe 100,000 or more to get that. And again, it's got a bigger engine, got 471 horsepower V8, I think, in that one. So this is luxury, this is high-end, it is very nice, it's very quiet, it's got a nice ride, it's a big vehicle, and it's made in America, baby.